Looking for a cold air intake for Duramax Lb7? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 cold air intake for Duramax Lb7 available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect cold air intake for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Black Horse Racing 4 Cold Air Intake System. State-of-the-art filtration system features thousands of microscopic cotton fibers. Innovative design of layered oiled cotton media helps to shield your engine from contaminants. Dimensions: 9.67 x 11.81 x 9.45, 950 x 30 x 24 cm, LXWXH. Anodized aluminum pipes resist wear, rust and corrosion for extra durability. Improve the performance of your Chevrolet's cold air intake system. Color: blue. Tool required: socket or wrench. The kit can increase 8 to 10% of horsepower and 6 to 8% of torque. The kit includes a steel heat shield that features a durable carbon black powder coating for long-lasting good looks and protects the filter from dirt and debris, and to keep hot underhood air away from the element for a cooler intake. Air charge. Air intakes are very easy to install on your car or truck. A typical air intake installation can be done with a screwdriver, pliers and a ratchet set in 90 minutes or less. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Black Horse Racing 4 Cold Air Intake System Kit. It's the ultimate performance cold air intake kit with heat shield. The air intake kit can help your engine to draw in more cold air, resulting in better throttle response and higher explosive horsepower output. It can increase 8 to 10% of horsepower and 6 to 9% of torque. Easy to install and easy to fit with simple tools. At number 3 on our list, we have the Banks 42145 Ram Air Intake System. Banks Ram Air Superiority. Banks' revolutionary Ram Air Intake System offers the reliability and durability of a factory intake yet delivers astonishing airflow. It flows up to 64% better than stock and outflows volant and aerate, thanks in part to the Ram Air's huge filter area, fewer filter cleanings, giant outlet, and the complete air filter housing with large side and bottom inlets. Banks Ram Air collects and directs more power-producing cool, dense air to the engine, lowering EGTs and smoke and improving fuel economy too. The lifetime cotton gauze filter traps the most dirt and debris. And Ram Air is the only aftermarket intake with 4.5-inch bellows to accommodate engine movement. This prevents component damage and promotes reliable service life. New filter options. Choose from the traditional red oiled filter or the all-new black, dry filter. 6 out of 7 cold air systems provide less air density to the turbo inlet than the stock system. That sucks for our competitors because air density is the key to better performance. More density equals more MPG and HP. Bottom line, why on earth would anyone pay money for a product that kills power and mileage? It's all about density, and Banks Ram Air delivers. At number 4 on our list, we have the Sinister Diesel Cold Air Intake. Sinister diesel intakes are designed, engineered and fabricated in-house to provide industry-leading performance and durability. All of our intakes utilize CNC mandrel bent aluminum tubing for maximum performance and strength. Our kits include silicone couplers that are far superior in reliability to OEM materials, so you can count on high performance when it matters most. All kits include the necessary installation hardware, so they can be installed with common tools and minimal experience. Sinister diesel intakes are available polished and powder coated in our unique Sinister Blue for an eye-catching and durable finish that will last for years. Includes CNC mandrel bent aluminum intake tube, reusable oiled cotton media filter installation hardware. At number 5 on our list, we have the Banks Engineering 42132D Ram Air Intake Kit. Banks Ram Air Superiority. Flowbench developed, dyno-proven cold air intake with enclosed housing improves flow up to 57%. Increases power and fuel economy. Reduces exhaust gas temps and sooty, black smoke. Passes the test. Again and again. Others build and ship without testing. Not Banks. Our Ram Air intakes start out as CAD software prototypes and are put through flow simulations. The design is refined until the simulation shows optimal performance. Then a hardware prototype is made and the design is validated on a flowbench. After that comes dyno testing and on-vehicle testing. It takes a superior design to pass all those tests. Filter on a stick, a joke that's not funny. A filter on a stick is a bad joke. It's wide open to hot underhood engine air, and there's no power in hot air. Ram Air houses a giant lifetime filter in an enclosed cold air box, which inhales cool, dense outside air, more than Banks' competitors, and up to 57% more than stock, for more power and mileage, lower EGTs and less smoke. And it's designed to not cause fault or error codes. Bellows too? Very exclusive. Banks' Ram Air is the only aftermarket intake with bellows. This accommodates engine movement and prevents component damage for longer service life. At number 6 on our list, we have the K&N Cold Air Intake Kit, High Performance. K&N air intake systems are engineered for increased performance, outstanding durability, and sleek aesthetics, and are available in an assortment of finishes and powder coatings. K&N's state-of-the-art high-flow air filter helps to shield your engine from contaminants, while a meticulously engineered aerodynamic tube design contributes to a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque. K&N air intake systems are designed to improve acceleration, towing, and throttle response while providing world-class protection for your engine. Our intakes are dyno tested and provide up to 50% more airflow compared to OEM intake systems. K&N intakes are easy to install and maintain with air filter cleaning required only every 100,000 miles. Vehicle fitment: 2001 to 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, 2001 to 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 3500, 2001 to 2004 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, 2001 to 2004 GMC Sierra 3500. At number 7 on our list, we have the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. Dyno tested with up to 50% more airflow than restrictive factory box air filter and intake tube. Improves acceleration and uphill performance when towing by improving throttle response. Pushing the limits of engine protection by protecting your engine from harmful contaminants and debris. Bolt on power in less than an hour with basic hand tools. Spectre air intake systems are one of the easiest ways to increase horsepower. At number 8 on our list, we have the High Performance Parts Short Ram Air Intake Kit. Ultimate intake kit with higher explosive horsepower, output and improved throttle response. Increase horsepower and torque by 6 to 10%. Premium parts made from brushed T306 aluminum and industrial-grade stainless steel clamps. High quality, long-lasting, washable and reusable air filter included. Easy to assemble with all parts and installation guide included. No additional parts needed. Please check to make sure this intake will fit your vehicle. A fitment guide has been provided on the top left for your reference. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions regarding this product. And finally, at number 9 on our list, we have the Elasticity Concept Blue Short Ram Air Intake Kit. T306 aluminum high-quality finished intake pipe as shown in the picture. High-quality built washable and reusable air filter as shown in the picture. All necessary mounting hardwares, vacuum hoses and reducers will be included like shown in the picture. MAF sensor adapter, this will be included only if your car needs one for installation, some cars may not need it. A general installation instruction will be included, but if you need more help, email us and we'll gladly to help. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.